for the day?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready for the day. Let's get it. Let's get it. Put my phone up. Get into my office. Let's go, girls. You got like that voice going on. I'm like, what the voice is that? Okay, all right. You said you liked my hair.
I did. Okay.
Yeah. I want to be twins.
Okay.
So we're going to be twins. So what's the schedule like, actually?
The schedule's good.
All right. Let's rock and roll.
All right.
Hello.
Good morning, Doug.
Hey. All right. Nice schedule. Y'all ready? Y'all did the huddle?
Ready.
All right, do we have a patient? How are you? Yeah. Everything's got to be natural.
Yeah, that's hard to do.
I know. How are you today?
I'm good.
All right. How's your summer gone?
Well, I just spent 5 days moving Rachel back from Denver.
Oh, she's moving back?
She's back.
Oh, she left Denver so cold on the Crocs.
Thank you.
You know, what's all on there? You have a pig?
A lot of
What does that
food.
represent? Oh, food. Oh, that's why the pig.
No, it's like my spirit animal.
Oh, okay. That's cool. Nice. Like it. You're interested in recontouring your two front teeth?
Yeah.
What is it that you don't like about your teeth?
My two front teeth, I don't like how prominent they are.
You think they're too long?
Yes.
Or too big, too thick, they stick out too much? I don't think they stick out at all.
I think they're too long.
Okay,
Yes.
all right. So what we can do is we can go in and just recontour them with a sandpaper disc. Just very gentle, no anesthesia is needed. You want to try that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a little bit. Yeah.
Okay. You got some chip teeth in the front, don't you?
Both teeth.
Yeah. Well, you have them. Did they take them out?
Yes, this was before.
Oh, so they took care of all your stuff.
I have partial.
How old are you?
37.
Well, welcome. Welcome to the zone.
Check that out on
You
Instagram.
did? Did you see us dancing?
Yeah.
I suck, don't I? She's good. Yeah, we have fun. All right, well, good. Instagram, yep. All righty, let's take a look.
Hey Joelle, what are you up to?
Working.
What are we doing here?
Delivering some crowd.
Nice.
So what's going
I have a
on?
present for you. Should be over there
You
on
have
the
a
table.
present?
Small rock.
Oh, a rock.
That was in a Central Market salad, believe it or not.
No way.
Absolutely. So I paid top dollar.
Did you go back and tell
I
them?
have not yet. I was waiting to find out how
What
badly
the
I was
hell is
damaged.
this?
I've got no idea. But it is not
That was in a salad?
in a black bean salad purchased on July the 17th. Central Market.
No. Oh.
So I crunched down on it, and although I can't see back there and I can't, my tongue feels something.
You feel
missing.
like you might
Well,
have
when I floss, it just feels a bit different. And I just came in for you to check it. So
Okay.
Probably an
Oh.
overabundance of
I
caution.
eat there too. We're not gonna dog them, but yeah, okay. And you're lucky because that rock did not do damage to your teeth. I don't see anything that is,
Keep well.
all right, go home and enjoy the heat.
I'm going to have a rock salad.
Girl, you are a fast typist. How many words a minute can you do?
I don't know.
Did you ever take typing in school?
I did.
Yeah, and
And helping me.
can you look at me? There you go, you pretty little queen. That's the queen. La Destine, the queen of the office. So La Destiny, you get everything done. How do you get all your stuff done? I've never had anyone that gets everything done like you do.
I just manage my time. Time efficiency is key. You just got to learn how to manage your time.
That easy?
That easy.
All
It's
right.
simple. It's simple. And we know how you like things, so we want to keep you happy.
And if I'm happy, everybody's happy.
That's right.